3 statistics that will help you exploit the criminal mindset and keep you and your family safe. And the second one might shock you. But before I reveal these, a quick reminder, we have a gun giveaway going on right now. You can enter for free, but it ends really soon. So click the link in the description down below to reveal which brand new gun you could win. Statistic number 1, 62% of prisoner inmates said they would stop a robbery if they knew the person had a gun. So that means you should be carrying your gun every place it's legal. Well above half the prisoners we interviewed said they would stop a robbery if they found out the person they were trying to rob had a gun. Criminals are not afraid of cops. They're afraid of armed civilians. Cops come later. If you can respond immediately during a robbery, you have a much better chance of stopping it, protecting yourself and your loved ones. Statistic number 2, 41% of those inmates we interviewed said they have taken a gun away from someone trying to defend themselves. So 62% said they would stop if they knew you had a gun. 41% said they would take that gun away from you, and they'd done it before. That tells me that you don't only need to learn how to shoot, you need to learn weapon retention skills. You need to make sure that you are paying close attention to what's going on, and honestly, this is a great stat that tells you not to open carry. Keep your firearm concealed until you need to use it, because criminals, they're criminals because they don't care. And criminals have a lot more experience fighting than you do. So honestly, be prepared for these people and understand that they don't care. They're gonna try to take your gun. You better know how to keep your firearm. This final statistic, 47% of the inmates we interviewed said that during a robbery attempt, they would be willing to injure or kill their intended victim if they don't comply. So you're gonna ask yourself, maybe I should just comply, or maybe you should fight back. But understand this, that the stakes are really high. You have to make that decision on your own at the time the event is happening. But the stakes are really high. And are you just going to rely on the mercy of somebody who has already decided that they're going to do whatever it takes to get your property? If they have to hurt you, or they have to kill you, or they have to threaten your loved ones, are you going to rely on their mercy? You need to be ready to fight. This is about the mindset of defending yourself. It's a tough decision, and it's one that only you can make, but you have to be ready to fight, and fight with everything you have to stop the threat. Because the criminals, again, they don't care. They don't care about the laws, and they don't care about you. And these folks are coming to take what you have, and if you're in the way, they're going to hurt you. So what are you going to do to stop that? It's a true story of self-defense. We interviewed an armed Lyft driver who was carjacked to help answer these questions. Should I carry a gun while driving? And what does a carjacking actually look like? Just click the video next to me to watch this must-see interview.